Ladies and motherfucking gentlemen, we are on the Funded, and today, Tuesday, was it August? No, September 2nd, made $516 with one trade. This was a trade. Let me go into the bias and why I was long going into the morning. So, going into the morning, we had really shit the bed completely. Shit the bed overnight. Absolutely. What did this indicate to me? This indicated a really shift, like high time frame shift in market structure, and this to me is confirming that we are gonna come for these lows as well as possibly these lows. But in order for us to come down there, we first need to balance price, and we weren't balanced yet. We had overnight run down, leaving these fair value gaps as well as equilibriums that have been unmet. I drew out the 4-hour equilibrium, so from this high to this low, as well as this equilibrium from this high to this low. Market opens, we shit down, taking out sell side, taking out the previous weekly low on Nasdaq, as well as holding this bearish SMT at the lows. Bullish SMT at the lows. From there, I knew that these were the target. I knew that these needed to be filled. So when I saw that we were showing bullish PA, we inverse this basically. We had a crazy divergence here. We came completely into the fair value gap. We didn't come into the fair value gap. This to me was an indication of trapping sellers. Everyone was thinking we were gonna go short here. We're SMTing. ES is dragging. Nah. NQ is just pumping because it wants those fair value gaps first. It wants to fake all you motherfuckers out into taking shorts right here. I knew that was the case, so I wait for a little bit more of a push after this candle. Get that from there. I enter. Targets at the first fair value gap. Why the first fair value gap? Because of this extremely bullish PA, I thought we were only going to come in the equilibrium of this smaller leg here. But it turns out structure, it needs to come into the high time frame equilibrium. So it did. It came up into this one, which could have been my target, but to be safe and to leave and to not be mad if we did reverse, I needed to take full profit off here because I knew it was a possibility. So that's what I did. Very solid trade. Not the best conditions. I honestly should have avoided today. These were definitely tougher conditions, especially with this happening right down here. I bet everyone wanted to take shorts. Everyone was being confused. I for a second was I started doubting my bias a bit, but at the end of the day, I know my bias most of the time is going to be correct, and I should trust it. And that's what I did and played out. That's about it.
That bitch ain't want to tip. That bitch ain't want my jerk. I pull up on these hoes. I'm riding that spaceship. These hoes, they want my pole. These hoes on the other dick. This bitch ain't want young cat. Pia on the track. Bitch, give me back. Tatted on the back. Tatted on her neck. He can't call it back. Shawty wanna live. Shawty wanna live. Shawty wanna roll. Shawty wanna get. Shawty wanna pop. Shawty wanna lick. And I still pop pill. And I go on drill. Shawty wanna fuck. She just wanna feel. I be on the X. I be on the pill. Bitch, you wanna fuck. Fuck my ex. deal. Trapping in the hell, so one in the hell. Better how I feel. Been the cool, no deal. Bitch, you wanna fall. Shawty wanna feel. 100,000 flow. 100,000 flow. Switch up like I can close. Switch up like I chain hole. Got a lot of the hole. Got a lot of cold. Got a body low. Nigga overdose. Yeah, my swag so clean. Bad bitches on me. Ooh, bad.
Good start. Good start. Let's see. Hope y'all enjoyed that little trade recap. None too spectacular, none too crazy, really. Going into tomorrow. What I would be looking for. Honestly, my goal for the week is this weekly low on NQ. I also have it drawn on fucking Zin's fucking tapping my shit. I have it drawn on ES as well, but I'm not sure we're gonna be able to come down there. Might create a fat ass SMT somewhere over here to then continue longer maybe into next week. But yeah, that's about it. Hope y'all have a good one. Hope y'all traded pretty good. Hope y'all didn't get faked out by this move. Yeah, bro. Enjoy y'all's day. Enjoy y'all life. Be good. Be happy. Damn, I've been losing weight, bro. I need to get in the gym. But yeah, late.